Discussing money is always difficult. With your parents, it can be even worse. How can you find out what's going on? Let's discuss a few ideas on approaching this conversation and give you suggestions to help them and you get a clearer sense of their financial health.
Reframe your inquiry into something less threatening. Try to present the conversation in ways they are less likely to interpret your questions as an indictment of their ability to manage their affairs. If the cause of your concern is that something specific has happened that may be threatening your parents' well-being, such as a new medical diagnosis, talk about the finances in terms of how you can help them through this present difficulty. Focus on the temporary need and include financial elements in the context of everything else going on. What else can I do? Anything else you need? I know that you're busy taking care of Dad, but do you need any help with anything like minding the bills until he's back on his feet? If there isn't a particular event that has triggered your concerns, you still have options.
Even if your parents insist that their financial situation hasn't changed, you can remind them that new developments may mean that they still need to re-examine their finances. For instance, tax law changes are an excellent conversation starter about family finances and estate planning.
And some events don't initially appear to be financial in nature, but can have a huge impact on a family's financial well-being, such as a birth or adoption of a child, a graduation from high school or college, marriage or divorce, purchase or sale of a home. Events such as these are the perfect catalyst for you to get your financial house in order and offer to help your parents at the same time, since some of the issues may impact all of you.
Start with an inventory of assets and then move on to all of your other accounts, everything from utility bill payments to social media accounts. Ensure that each account has a unique and complex password.
Forgotten accounts, reused passwords, things like these become tools for identity thieves. With them, thieves can access vital information, create false accounts, or even trick your parents into believing that the thieves are real creditors. Speaking to your parents about financial exploitation and how to recognize scams is a necessary discussion. There are so many to be aware of, from IRS and Social Security Administration imposters, lottery scams, tech support, and romance scams.
Discussing estate planning with your parents is an excellent way to address their current financial situation and help them prepare for the future. We recommend sharing your personal plan with them, the steps you've taken, and see where the conversation leads.
If your parents seem open to creating or updating an estate plan, of course you can offer to assist them with some initial stages or suggest helping them find an estate planning attorney to meet with. Hiring an experienced estate planning attorney can help bring stability to financial chaos, both now and in your parents' future.